Hello everyone, this is 8th session of third unit. Uh, Today topic is entropy. Entropy is a thermodynamic property and it is considered as measure of rate of heat, availability of heat for transformation into work. It increases with the addition of heat and decreases with removal of heat. Entropy is an extensive property. It cannot be measured by an instrument as it is not the physical property of a substance. The entropy will decrease with the removal of heat and increase with heat addition. Will remains constant for adiabatic process. Will increase when reversible occur in an isolated system. This is a TS diagram of entropy, that is temperature in a SY axis and change in entropy in Y axis. Entropy is mathematically defined as delta S is equal to delta Q by T. Delta S is equal to change in entropy, delta Q is equal to addition of removal of heat, T is equal to absolute temperature. Now change in entropy during constant temperature process or isothermal process. Consider a certain quantity of perfect gas being heated at constant temperature. Let M is equal to mass of gas, P1 is equal to initial pressure of gas, V1 is equal to initial volume of gas. P2, V2 is equal to corresponding values for the final conditions. Let this process be represented by the line on TS diagram. We know that during constant temperature process there is no change in internal energy and the heat supplied is equal to the work done by the gas. We also know that work done during an isothermal process. This is a TS diagram of a change in entropy during isothermal process. Consider m kg of gas is heated at constant pressure from state 1 to state 2. Heat transfer is equal to work done during isothermal process. W1 to 2 is equal to 2.3 mRT log V2 by V1. Heat supplied is equal to Q1 to 2 is equal to W1 to 2, that is equal to 2.3 mRT log of P1 by P2. Change of entropy is equal to heat supplied per absolute temperature. So S1 minus S2 is equal to 2.3 mRT by T log of V2 by V1. Therefore, S2 by S1, S2 minus S1 is equal to 2.3 mR log of V2 by V1. The general gas equation P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2. Therefore, P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2 since T1 is equal to T2. Therefore, V2 by V1 is equal to P1 by P2. Therefore, S2 minus S1 is equal to 2.3 mR log P1 by P2. Now, change of entropy during adiabatic process or isentropic process. During adiabatic process, no heat transfer takes place. Therefore, the change in entropy is zero. Adiabatic process is represented by a vertical line on TS diagram. This is TS diagram of change in entropy during adiabatic process. In a reversible adiabatic process, No heat enters or leaves the gas. Mathematically, delta Q is equal to 0. Therefore, delta S is equal to 0 since delta S is equal to delta Q by T. In other words, change of entropy during a reversible adiabatic process is 0. The reversible adiabatic process on TS graph is shown by vertical straight line. Since the entropy of the gas remains constant during reversible adiabatic expansion or compression of the gas process is said to be isentropic. This fact makes the TS diagram quite useful in solving problem on adiabatic expansion. Since internal energy of the gas at the end of irreversible adiabatic expansion is more than that of isentropic expansion, therefore the amount of work done by gas will be less than that for reversible expansion. Now take multiple choice questions. First question, entropy is measure of rate of availability of heat for transformation into work. Option A true and option B false. So the statement is correct. So option A true is correct. Next, entropy is an extensive property. Option A true, option B false. In this statement is correct, so option A true is correct. Next, delta S is equal to delta Q by T. Option A true, option B false. This expression is correct, so option A is correct. Next, fourth one, the change in entropy represents the maximum amount of work obtainable per degree drop in option A pressure, option B volume, option C work and option D temperature. So here option D temperature is correct answer. Next, fifth one, the increase in entropy is obtained from a given quantity of heat at a low temperature. Option A true and option B false. Here this statement is correct, so option A is correct. Next, during constant temperature process there is no change in option A internal energy, option B volume, option C work and option D pressure. Here this statement during a constant temperature process there is no change in internal energy, so option A is correct. MR, next question is MR log V2 by V1 base E is equal to MR log P2 by P1 of base E. Option A true and option B false. Here MR log base E of V2 by V1 is equal to MR log base E of P2 by P1 is wrong. So option B false is correct answer. Next, eighth one, during isothermal process T1 is equal to T2 is equal to T. So option A true is correct and option B false is not correct. So option A true is correct answer. Next, during adiabatic process the change in entropy is option A internal energy, option B 0, option C increase, option D pressure. So here option B 0 is correct because during adiabatic process the change in entropy is 0. Next, 10th question. The gas remains constant during reverse adiabatic expansion or compression of this process said to be isentropic. Option A true and option B false. Here option A is correct answer. Thank you all.